Steam Next Fest is a showcase of upcoming games that happens 3 times a year and runs for a week. It's a great place to discover new upcoming games and find things that you want to play when they come out. It's also a great place for developers to get their game in front of more people and get more wish lists. The next one starts in just a few days on February 24th. For developers, the main requirement is that you have a game that hasn't been released yet, hasn't yet participated in a Next Fest, and has a demo live. Now this is a great place to get feedback on your demo right before release and get a bunch more wish lists. I'll be participating with my old school dungeon crawler, navigating the Labyrinth. I typically post the first demo build of a game on itch.io, but I couldn't with this one because it was too big, and itch.io has a limit of 2 GB for a game. I've updated it 3 times since the initial release, with updates and improvements each time, more graphics, more levels, more monsters, better gameplay, and it's been steadily improving over time. This last update focused mainly on playability and visuals, and it's a nice improvement over the last version. I finished all of the abilities for the new spellcasting classes Oracle and Seer. I also improved the look of the floors in a lot of the zones. The nice thing about having a demo already live for a while is that I don't have to be in a mad panic to get one released right before the next fest. It can be really stressful to have your demo sitting in the review queue waiting for the Steam team to look at it and approve it for release. The other advantage to releasing a demo early is that you can find any game-breaking bugs with enough time to fix them before Next Fest. Next Fest is very competitive. The first one I was in had about 1,000 games, and I wouldn't be surprised if they're now up to about 2,000 games. That means it's very hard to stand out if you don't have something great. In the first 2 fests I participated in, the 2 most important factors in being ranked well in the listings were your number of wish lists and your wish list velocity, or the number that your wish lists are growing by per day. In the fall 2024 Next Fest, they changed the ranking algorithms so that how people respond to your game and your page affects your rankings a lot more than other factors. I don't know the full inner workings of the algorithm, but it works something like this. If 30% of the visitors to your game download the demo and play for about an hour, and about 5% of the visitors click ignore on the game, it's going to do a lot better than a game where about 10% of visitors download the demo and play for an average of 5 minutes, with 15% clicking ignore. The first one will get more visibility than the second because the data shows that players like it more. This levels the playing field a bit between games with low marketing budgets and high marketing budgets, with smaller teams more likely to have their games seen by more people if it has a lot of appeal. Since this is a new system of ranking, I'm sure it will change and evolve with each Next Fest. In total, I've participated in 2 previous Next Fests with 3 games total. I plan to make another video showing the results of this upcoming fest and comparing it with the results of the fests with the old algorithm that I participate in. Subscribe if you don't want to miss that next video. Thanks for watching.